Hi everyone, my name is Ross Bagurdes and welcome to my course Wireshark Traffic Analysis, customizing the interface, ARP, ICMP, and DNS. I'm a network engineer with more than 20 years experience building enterprise networks and teaching people about them. Wireshark is a truly amazing utility. However, it demands that the user have an understanding of network and application protocol behavior in order to benefit the engineer using it. By continuing to build one's skills with protocol analysis, one can use Wireshark to observe network and application performance issues and become a true IT troubleshooting superstar. In this course, I will enhance your Wireshark and protocol analysis skills by discussing and demonstrating customizing the Wireshark interface and colorizing rules. We'll explain how to look for layer 2 issues with ARP. We'll describe how to use ICMP messages to understand behaviors and errors in an intranetwork, and examine how a slow response from a DNS server can cause an apparent website slowness issue. By the end of this course, you will be able to use Wireshark to capture and identify network latency via ICMP, ARP, or DNS, among other things. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the Getting Started with Traffic Analysis Using Wireshark course, and from here you should feel comfortable moving on to the rest of the courses in the Wireshark learning path. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn network and application troubleshooting with the Wireshark Traffic Analysis, Customizing the Interface, ARP, ICMP, and DNS course here at Pluralsight.